Good morning. Sharing real life corporate stories of the world. Today, I am going to explain a story about an organization. So, how a small news will create very big problem in the company. Okay. I was working for a company in Africa. The company brought a new general manager to look after all the operations. So general manager, he is around 55. He looks very old, older than 55. He came, he was there for 1 week. Then he said one of the local employee that I need all young people to produce more results, and I can see half of the employees in this branch are more than 50 years. He told to a local employee, the news spread like a fire, and all the Africans started speaking that the new manager wanted to remove us and he wants young people. He is telling we are more than 50, we are old, we cannot work. And when news went like fire, all employees become like a union. And every employee, two employee meets, same discussion, and uncertainty created in the employees, and they are afraid they may lose job any day. The reason why they felt is they were there with the company from the day the company started. The company started 30 years back. They joined at the age of 20-25. They have been working for 30 years with the same company. Now suddenly new manager came and he told more than 50 is old, I want young people. Too much problem created a small news. They become like union. Now they started creating problems to the new manager. When he parked the car in the garage, somebody went to do some repair. And when he kept some files in the office, somebody went stolen. And now cooperation, not moving. Trucks came, container came, not offloaded. They are telling some reason. Everywhere they created obstacle. Everywhere. Then the news reached the chairman. Chairman came. Chairman understood the issues. Then called all the employees for the meeting and told nothing to worry. Nothing is going to happen. You are my people. You are there with my company since day one. He will be there till the end. He created a confidence. He left. People satisfied. But still, the employees did not stop the problems for the new manager till new manager left the organization. You can see one small news. Small news created too much problem. 1 month, 2 month disturbance. No sales, no container, no offloading, no container releasing. Too much problem, no administrative work. Every government department started attacking the company because employees went and told this expatriate wants to remove us. So when the expatriate goes to other companies to work, he has to be very careful using his language. If at all he wants to remove more than 50, there should be strategy. He must discuss with first chairman, then he should announce. He cannot announce just like this. This is the story happened. It's the experience I got. And thank you very much for seeing my video. If you like the video, please share and comment. And I will be posting more videos in future. Thank you very much.